मिला, उन दुनिया से इतना सम्मान मिला, उन गुरु के चरणों को नमन जिनका हमें इतना प्यार मिला. Thank you ma'am, all the best.
Thank you so much, Sheetal ma'am, for being such a great teacher. I will always remember you and respect you from deepest of my heart. Every lessons you teach us, we enjoy it very well. We would be always be remembering you with the sweetest memory in our heart. We would never wish that you can go away from us, but the life has taken the decision. We will always be miss you with the deepest in our heart. Thank you, Sheetal ma'am, for teaching us this many years.
Ma'am, this note is to tell you that you are an amazing teacher. Your class were fun. We enjoyed each one of them. Thank you for everything. We will miss you.
Dear Sheetal ma'am, we adore you so very much. We appreciate all your care and concern for us. You are one in a million. We thank you for you being there. Bye bye ma'am. Have a happy, healthy, long life.
Dear Sheetal ma'am, for being passionate and dedicated about teaching us. We can never repay you for your remarkable contribution to our growth and development. Thank you so much.
But teachers and my fellow students, here I feel grateful to deliver this day like this. We are all here to bid goodbye to our valuable high teacher who retired from this school. Today I realized how time and value moments spent. My Sheetal ma'am have offered everything to the students to make future leaders also. We must thank her for all efforts and hard work with great patience. Thank you ma'am for this opportunity. Farewell ma'am. Goodbye ma'am with great future. Thank you.
Hello ma'am, thank you for being the best teacher. You have always made study fun. We love you ma'am. We will miss
Thank you ma'am for teaching us. You are the best teacher student could ever hope for. Thank you for all your hard work. Thank you.
Hello, good morning, Sheetal ma'am. How are you? I miss you so much. I like you, and you are the best ma'am in the school. I love you so much. Thank you, Sheetal.
Respected father, teachers, and my dear friends, I miss Ma'am Sheetal of class first. Would like to speak a few words on the occasion of her farewell. Ma'am, there are no goodbyes for us. Wherever you are, you will always be in my heart. You may be away from me, but your teachings will never be. We will surely miss the guidance you gave us in school. Ma'am, I always miss you.
Sheetal ma'am, I never thought you will leave this city this soon. You have been an amazing co-teacher. I will miss you, ma'am. It's been a great journey with so many memories. You have been my support system, my mentor. Thank you so much for everything, ma'am. I love you and I will miss you so much.
Hello Sheetal ma'am, I want to say some lines about you. You are the mother of all the students. Your motherly divine love and bond with all of us fulfill all the need, all the support and guidance that cannot be replaced and forget. There are no goodbye for us. Wherever you are, you will be always in my heart. We will miss you. Love you, Sheetal ma'am. And be happy and healthy always. You will be always in my prayer. We will miss you, ma'am. Thank you.
A very good morning to each and every one of you. Dear members of the staff and students, I would like to thank Mrs. Sheetal, who taught for some years in St. Peter's School, and now she has been transferred from here. On behalf of the management, I would like to thank her for her dedicated services. Though it was not an easy task to teach the small little angels, but with conviction and courage, she taught the students and also received a lot of appreciation. She was like a mother to the children in the classroom. I personally appreciate her services rendered to the school and thank God for the gift of Mrs. Sheetal to St. Peter's family, and pray for her great future and particularly for the good health and well-being in life. May God bless you, Mrs. Sheetal.